Nandito tayo ngayon sa SSS Village Elementary School dito sa Marikina City kung saan mahigit 18,400 voters ang inaasahan na bumoto ngayong Lunes. So nagbukas ang polling place na ito 5 a.m. pa lang for the priority groups. Kasama dyan yung mga PWD, senior citizens, and pregnant women. And this school has been open for vote for the general public since 7 a.m. hanggang 7 p.m. ito bukas. So far, according sa mga volunteers na nakausap natin dito, smooth sailing naman yung pagboto ng mga tao dito. Mahaba yung mga pila, meron mga holding areas to contain the crowd. But yes, so far, smooth sailing naman. Yan ang sabi sa atin ng mga volunteers dito. Pagpasok sa school, merong kaagad locator map for the voters para makita kung saan sila boboto. So, pagpasok dito sa school, ayan, pagpasok dito sa SSS, merong tent dito na merong locator map para mag-guide yung mga voters kung saan sila pupunta, kung saan presinto sila pupunta to vote. If you're not sure kung saan ka boboto, dito sa gym, merong mga volunteers, may medical assistance desk dito, merong assistance desk for people who are not sure where to go. Ayan. So, holding area din itong gym dito sa loob ng SSS Elementary School, no, for those waiting sa mga kasama nila. Ayan. And then, beside the gym, nandito rin merong guide dito. If you know kung ano na yung presinto mo, you go here to check kung anong building. Ayan. So we can see, ayan, people checking kung saang building, saang location yung presinto para kung saan sila boboto. So dito sa Marikina City, there are 315,000 registered voters. Ayan. So during the campaign season, Mariqueños are made to choose between Team Bagong Marikina and Team Marikina City. Basically, new versus old. There are tight races here in the city. Political couples Quimbos versus political couple Teodoros. So for the mayoral post, si Congresswomen Stella Quimbo and Maan Teodoro are fighting for the mayoral post. And then tight race then for first district representative post. Ang naglalaban dyan si Senator Coco Pimentel and outgoing suspended Marikina Mayor Marcy Teodoro. So dito rin pala sa SSS Elementary School, dito natin inaasahang boboto later ang Quimbo couple, si Stella and Miro Quimbo later. Kanina rin we're at Leo de Gario Victorino Elementary School kung saan bumoto maaga-maaga, no, si Senator Coco Pimentel with his wife Catherina Yu Pimentel, the special envoy to UAE. Kanina nakausap natin si Senator Coco Pimentel. He refused to comment on his chances versus Marcy Teodoro and just told reporters na he's just happy for Philippine democracy for this election day. So there were less crowds at Leo de Gracia kung saan bumoto si Senator Coco compared dito sa SSS Elementary School. Although kumakapal na yung crowd dito sa SSS Elementary School, the volunteers say na hindi pa ito yung peak. Konti pa lang actually itong nakikita nating mga tao dito. They're expecting siguro later pa, mas dumami pa, no, since kabubukas pa lang naman ng polling place. So, just a reminder for the public, para po sa mga boboto, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. po bukas ang mga presinto. And for more updates, for more election updates, you can head on over to Rappler Communities app or check out our social media pages. Ayun pa lang muna for now. We're waiting for the Quimbo couple to cast their votes here. We'll post more updates when they do. Again, I'm Iya Gozum, Rappler, Marikina City.